Hi guys, welcome to Compulsive. Today I have another item I purchased in Amazon. This is a blood pressure monitor, and I'm gonna go ahead and check out with you guys how it works. So stick around for that, and then let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so here we go. We have it all turned on. It actually came charged, so that's definitely a plus. Also, this uses a USB-C, which is pretty cool that it's got the latest technology. I honestly wasn't very, I didn't like the micro USB. The micro USB was always a pain for me because they would always break. So thank goodness that this has a USB-C. Okay, now I pressed that orange button to turn it on, and it turned on, and it says history, hold 2 seconds. So if you want to see the history, you just hold for 2 seconds that orange button, and then it says blood pressure at the bottom. So let's go ahead and put it on. Hopefully this is easy. Okay, so far so it's pretty good. And okay, look at that. It's quite long for all type of arms sizes. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. I think it goes like this. And I apologize if you can't see it really good, but you know, I just wanted to place the camera over here so you can see my whole process. Okay, so I have it on, and I'm gonna go ahead and press that orange button. I see it's starting to inflate, so let's check it out. This is actually pretty good. It doesn't, kill your arm by, like when sometimes there's some that like really inflate and like almost kill your arm. I think I shouldn't be talking as it's checking my blood pressure. So I'll stop talking. There we go. So we just finished. It says I have 128/85, which is normal. It's easy to take out. Now it does have a Bluetooth embedded for the use of the application, so you can download an application to keep track of all your history and reports, especially if you wanted to share that with a doctor or something like that. It's good that it's got the history and the application. Overall, I think this was a really good buy. My whole family will be using it just to make sure we're healthy and we don't have any blood pressure problems. Once again, like if you see right there, I'm gonna see if I can zoom in. yeah, so that's my results. 91 right there. I actually am not really good at reading these numbers, but I do know what's normal, so at least I know that my blood pressure is normal. So yeah, well, as I showed in the opening the box, it's got the charger and it's got a handbook for checking to see how it works, the warranty and all that. So I'm really happy that it came with the instructions, but as you saw, it's pretty simple to use. You just press that one orange button. It's only got one orange button. The other button will be for setting up your Bluetooth, and yeah. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Remember, what we saw today was the Armfit blood pressure monitor. And if you have any questions about it, definitely put those in the comments and I will do my best to answer them. Of course, I have the product, I'll be using it. So yeah, if you have any questions whatsoever, just put those in the comments. And once again, thank you for watching. Again, my channel is just about all the things I buy in Amazon and just a review. I open boxes and hope that this helps you whenever you decide to buy things in Amazon. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you thought this video was helpful. And I'll see you on the next video.